Hello, everybody. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson. More heat and storms are taking place right now. Let's take a look at this weather as you head home. Ooh, it's hot, windy, and dusty. Details right now.
Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, everybody, thanks for joining me. Here's a look at temperatures as we head toward the 5 o'clock hour. 90 to 95 degrees, record-breaking temperatures today in Grand Forks once again, with high temperatures that reached well into the 90s. 97 degrees there. 95 is what we've reached so far at Hector International. 96, the record high here. And look at Crookston, 97, Foston, 90, 91 up in that Thief River area. Badette, no picnic there either at 93 degrees. Heading down to the south, 85 to 90 degrees through all of Lakes Country. Northeast South Dakota out near Aberdeen, 93 degrees. And the heat is on in Carrington as well at 95 degrees. So it's hot out there. Record-tying, record-breaking heat across the region once again, and the wind is very gusty. Here's a look at those wind gusts from the south, and it's kicking up debris. 43-mile-per-hour gusts right now. Here's a look at those peak gusts that we had so far today, and it has been terribly windy, with some gusts in the Red River Valley to nearly 50 miles per hour across the area. And again, that's lofting up some dust. Here's what that looks like, folks, as we take a peek at the visible satellite loop. Now, if you look real carefully, you can see a murky tan color right here. That's the dirt and debris getting kicked up in the air, and it's just schmut all over. So air quality is down. We do have some clouds making their way through the northern valley, but by and large, it looks clear. But you can see this tan color show up right there. Okay, so that's the change. That's the dirt getting lofted up into the air, swept across the fields. And so many of you have shared some photos to hutchesweather.com. Thanks so very much. This photo here is showing a little bit more detail about what's going on. But again, just a lot of dirt getting kicked up out there. This photo from Amber in and around the Ada area. Look at that. Just terrible topsoil erosion going on across the region today. Remember, you can upload your photos at hutchesweather.com. More heat, more wind into your evening, and we are expecting a chance of rain. Let's take a look at that eventide 7-day forecast. Thing number one, tomorrow will be the hottest day, 95 to 97 in and around the FM area once again. I think we'll see some triple-digit heat once again in a few spots. Gusts 40 plus, fire danger high. And again, I do anticipate some wild weather taking place. Storms develop out west. I've highlighted that red because a few of those storms could indeed be severe. They'll move our way Thursday in the early morning hours, and then a repeat performance in the afternoon east into Minnesota of strong to possibly severe storms in our region. Look at the temperature lapse. Look at it fall like a 2-ton heavy thing. 40 degrees lost in 2 days by Friday with more rain. Areas of locally light to moderate rainfall continue on Friday with 3-day totals across the region that will be very healthy. Many areas having a solid chance at picking up well over an inch of rain, particularly under the thunderstorms. And we stay cold. So from record highs near triple digits to 30s and frost, all in one forecast right here on the Eventide forecast for you. Check out eventide.org for more information on an absolutely wonderful place to live and work. And I thank them so very much for sponsoring Hutch's 7-day outlook. I'll have more details on what you can expect in the forecast, but sometimes it's kind of nice to know you can get out there and have a little bit of fun like I did today with my friends out at fertile Minnesota. We talked some weather today. You can see the radar in the background. We talked about what causes clouds, and it was a wonderful group of, well, just very enlightened students who had a lot of wonderful questions for Hutch today and a wonderful time. So a hello to all of you. Thank you for the invitation, and hello to all of you as well. I'll have more details on that big time chance of rain and much cooler weather coming up right here on Hutch's Weather a little bit later.